Okay, to find the length 3A, find BD. Find BD is actually, this is the triangle ABCD. BD is the diagonal one. So here is 22, 28. So use Pythagoras theorem, you can find it. BD square equals to 22 square plus 28 square. So BD equals to square root 22 square plus 28 square. So 22 square plus 28 square. Answer in one decimal place, 35.6. 1 dp. The next one they ask you to find is the BQ. BQ is a triangle. It's a 3D effect triangle. BQD. So BD you already found is 35.6. You have the height is 15 because the height here is always the same, both height. So it's 15. So we use back Pythagoras theorem to find QB. So QB square equals to 35.6 square plus 15 square. So QB equals to square root 35.6 square plus 15 square. 35.6 square plus 15 square. The root answer should give you 38.61 dp. Okay. For part B, the angle that the line BD, okay, make up with the horizontal BD or BP make up with the horizontal. So okay, they are trying to say this side of triangle. So you redraw it. Okay. BCP. BCP. 22 and 15. So they want to know the angle here. Use Picasso. POA CAHSOH. This is trigo ratio. Use Picasso to help you. So we identify already. Here is your A. This is your O. So you have to use tangent. So tangent theta, okay, which is the unknown that you want to find, you give me as theta, is always O over 8, 15 over 22. So if you want to find theta, you have to tangent inverse 15 over 22. So inverse tangent, okay, 15 over 22. So 34.286. So we will round off to 3 significant figure, 34.3. Let's see what the question wants. So based on exam rule, this will be round off to 3 significant figures. Okay, that's done for your part B. So we will do part C. The angle of the line, the greatest slopes of BQ to make with the horizontal angle DBQ. So now we are looking at this direction. So this direction, the triangle will be like that. Q, Q, D, B. So the height is 15. Okay, for here the height is 15. DB is based on the question 3A that we found out. Is 35.6. 35.6. So we need to find out the angle here. Okay, so this is actually 90 degrees. Is we draw in 3D view. So this is actually your H. We are using back Pythagoras theorem. At trigo ratio, this is your H. This is your A. This is your O. So with O and A, right, we still use back tangent theta equals to 15 over 35.6. So inverse tangent so this will give you inverse tangent 15 over 35.6. So we'll get 22.848. Three significant figure will give you 22.8 degree. For angle is 1 decimal place. So 1 dp. So this one is also angle. We will write a degree and we change it to 1 dp.